Hey, what's up, guys? And today we're diving into a lineup that's all about taking your privacy and browsing experience to the next level. We're talking about 25 powerful web browsers that offer features and privacy options even Tor can't match. Whether you're a privacy purist or just curious about what's out there beyond Chrome and Safari, you're in the right place. From built-in VPNs to advanced tracker blocking to browsers so lightweight you'll forget they're even running. This list has something for everyone. As we go through each browser, think about what matters most to you: privacy, speed, features. And drop your favorite browser in the comments below. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with Brave. Brave comes out of the box with a built-in ad blocker, so you're not just seeing fewer ads, you're also avoiding trackers that follow you across the web. It also upgrades all your connections to HTTPS when possible, giving you that extra layer of security. The Brave rewards system lets you opt into privacy-respecting ads and even earn crypto for your attention. With privacy baked in at every level, Brave sets the standard for what a modern, privacy-focused browser can be. Next up, we've got Firefox. Mozilla's flagship browser is open source, so anyone can check the code for transparency. You can fine-tune everything from cookie controls to tracking protection to make Firefox work exactly how you want it. With add-ons like NoScript or Privacy Badger, you can tailor your browsing experience to be as locked down or as open as you need. If you value that balance between privacy, speed, and open-source flexibility, Firefox is always a top contender. The Epic Privacy Browser lives up to its name by going all in on keeping you anonymous. Every session runs in private browsing mode by default, and it automatically deletes all your browsing data when you close the app. Epic routes your traffic through an encrypted proxy, masking your IP address and making it tough for anyone to track what you're doing online. If you don't want to leave a single trace online, Epic has your back. WaterFox takes the core of Firefox and amps up the privacy factor. It's designed for users who want strong privacy settings and compatibility with classic Firefox add-ons. WaterFox strips out telemetry and data collection, so nothing you do is sent back to the developers or third parties. If you ever felt like you had to choose between privacy and functionality, WaterFox might be the perfect middle ground. Ever wish you could use Chrome without all the Google tracking? That's where ungoogled Chromium comes in. This browser is literally Chromium stripped of all Google services, meaning there's no built-in tracking, sync, or background connections to Google's servers. You get the same fast performance and a familiar interface, just without the constant data sharing. SRware Iron takes the Chromium blueprint and removes all the bits that can compromise your privacy. There's no unique user ID, no search suggestions sending data back, and no tracking. It's about as close as you can get to Chrome without all the baggage. LibreWolf is like Firefox on steroids when it comes to privacy. It's a fork of Firefox, but with all the privacy features maxed out from the start. LibreWolf is all about hardened privacy settings and comes pre-configured with a bunch of privacy-focused add-ons. If you want a locked-down browsing experience without fiddling with settings, LibreWolf is for you. Komodo Dragon is another Chromium-based browser, but with a twist. It's developed by a cybersecurity company. You get all the Chrome features you know and love, but with enhanced security and privacy controls built right in. If you want Chrome's speed with an extra layer of security, Dragon is worth a look. Vivaldi is all about making your browser your own. Its customization options are second to none. You can tweak the interface, set up custom shortcuts, and even create your own themes. Vivaldi also gives you tight control over privacy settings, from blocking trackers to disabling Google services. You get both features and privacy, all in one package. Pale Moon is a fully independent browser, built from its own source rather than just forking from Chrome or Firefox. Pale Moon puts user privacy front and center, with no telemetry and plenty of options to customize your experience. If you're looking for something truly unique, Pale Moon is a breath of fresh air. Iridium is another Chromium-based browser, but it takes privacy even further. Every setting is tweaked for maximum security, from blocking third-party cookies to disabling features that might leak your data. The interface is familiar, but the peace of mind you get using Iridium is next level. Opera stands out as one of the first major browsers to offer a free, built-in VPN. Opera also packs a built-in ad blocker and tracker protection, making your browsing faster and more private from the jump. If you want privacy and convenience in one package, Opera's got you covered. Yandex browser comes from Russia and focuses on keeping you safe and moving fast online. It has a built-in security system called Protect, which scans downloads and warns you about dangerous sites. Turbo mode speeds up your browsing by compressing data, which is great for slow connections or saving bandwidth. Maxthon is a feature-rich browser that emphasizes both privacy and convenience. With its cloud sync, you can take your bookmarks, notes, and tabs with you across devices, all while keeping your data encrypted and secure. Maxthon also includes privacy tools like ad blocking, anti-tracking, and a password manager. SlimJet is all about getting you online fast and keeping your data private. Built on Chromium, it strips away unnecessary features and tracking, so you get a lightweight, snappy browser experience. SlimJet also blocks ads and trackers by default, making pages load even faster. Double is a lesser-known gem that takes minimalism seriously. The browser collects virtually no data, and it doesn't try to track your activity or profile you in any way. Every aspect of Double is designed with privacy in mind, from encrypted bookmarks to secure cookie management. Midori is all about keeping things light on your system and your privacy. It's designed to use minimal resources, making it perfect for older hardware or anyone who values speed. But Midori doesn't skimp on privacy, with private browsing modes and minimal data collection built in. GNU IceCat is a fork of Firefox developed by the Free Software Foundation, and it's packed with privacy add-ons and security enhancements right out of the box. IceCat blocks trackers, enforces HTTPS, and even disables some common fingerprinting techniques. If you're a fan of open source software and want maximum privacy, IceCat is worth a try. Bromite is an Android-only browser that takes mobile privacy seriously. It builds on Chromium, but adds a ton of privacy features, like built-in ad blocking, anti-fingerprinting, and enhanced tracking protection. Bromite is perfect for anyone who wants a private, speedy browser on Android without having to root their device. Dissenter's big claim to fame is its built-in comment system that lets you discuss any web page, even if the site itself doesn't have comments. But it's also got a strong privacy backbone, with built-in tracker and ad blocking. Avast Secure Browser is made by the same folks behind the popular antivirus software, so you know security is front and center. It comes with anti-phishing, anti-tracking, and bank mode for safe online shopping. There's even a built-in VPN and ad blocker to round out the package. Tenta Browser is built from the ground up for privacy, especially on mobile. It features a built-in VPN, encrypted browsing, and private bookmarks. Everything is locked down by default, and you control which parts of your browsing are protected. Ghostery started as a powerful tracker blocking extension, but now it's a full-featured browser with privacy at its core. The Ghostery browser blocks ads and trackers by default and gives you detailed reports on who's trying to follow you around the web. Clicks is unique in that it runs its own privacy-first search engine right inside the browser. That means your searches aren't being sent to big search companies, and your browsing history stays private. Clicks also blocks trackers and offers anti-phishing protection. Rounding out our list is Falcon, a lightweight browser that's all about speed and privacy. Built on the Qt web engine, Falcon is super fast and easy on system resources. There's no bloated feature set, just the essentials, plus built-in ad blocking and privacy controls. So there you have it, 25 browsers that go above and beyond what Tor offers, each with their own approach to privacy, speed, and features.